Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to unblock someone on Call of Duty Mobile. So if you want to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, open your Call of Duty Mobile game on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well. And then tap on the friends icon located at the top right in between the settings and the mail icon. Now this will open up the friend tab. Tap on friends in order to open up your friend list. If you've recently blocked someone on Call of Duty Mobile and you'd like to unblock them, then simply go ahead and tap on the blacklist button at the bottom right. Now the list of the people that you've blocked will be appearing on this page. Tap the unblock button in order to unblock the person and you'll be able to remove them from your blacklist. That is how you can easily unblock someone that you've previously blocked on Call of Duty Mobile. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.